Okay, good morning guys. Today I just had a wiring or relay problem on my car. So I cut my radiator fan motor like this. You can see the three output. The black is just jumped. So the blue is red for the signal or for the positive. So what you need is the optional wire. So take the safety one with the code. So you can see that is the negative wire. I just connect to the black one. And that is positive. That type lighter. Okay, watch out guys. Okay, the important thing is just direct the fire direct into the copper wire only. Don't shake your hand. First thing, you have to hit the wire first. Because the fire won't hit the tin or the solder copper there. Okay, see? Okay, hit it properly. Direct point to the copper only until it's hot. When the tin is not sticky, that means the copper is not hot. Not enough. Burn it more. Okay, now you can see the copper wire is accepting the tin because the copper is hot. Okay guys, time to work. I'm so late. Bye bye.